how to play a sound and have the remaining guided access time spoken before time ends on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on Guided Access. In here, tap on Time Limits. And in here, tap on Sound. By default, it is set to none, so no sound will be played when the time limit has been reached. So in here, from the alert tones list, you can go down and select a tone or ringtones that you would like to use. Okay, after that, you can choose to turn on or turn off speak. And I said that play a sound and have the remaining guided access time spoken before the time ends. And that's it. So if we turn on guided access, sorry, I pressed the wrong button, so we'll do it again. Triple click, 1, 2, 3. Then from the menu, we tap on guided access to start. Okay, so once it starts, we can I'm just going to bring up guided access. And we can set a time limit in here. So tap on options at the bottom. And in here, there is a time limit that we can turn on. And let's set it to 1 minute. And then tap on resume. Okay, at 29 seconds just then, it let me know that I have 29 seconds left. So I would assume before the end of this guided access time limit, it will announce once more to let us know that our time limit has been reached for guided access.
Guided access time has ended.
And that's it. So now you can see it will play an alert sound, and it also speak out the time that has been ended. And that's it. So I'm just going to end guided access now, and I'll tap on the end button at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.